Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on OpenSea. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in opensea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official OpenSea website, from which, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and use your wallet to log in. Now after logging in, you will end up within this homepage once again, from which if you wish to change your name, just hover over to the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. This will then take you into your account settings page. Now from your account settings page, you will be able to edit your account settings by clicking on the three dots at the right side of your username. From there, simply click on Settings, and now you can edit your profile details. Now if you wish to change your username, simply type in your desired username, and once you have your username set up, you can simply scroll down and click on Save. Once you click on this, your username will immediately be saved. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want and then change your username by simply clicking on the Save button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the OpenSea application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.